When your Eufy Floodlight camera is malfunctioning, needs a Wi-Fi network change, or is being transferred to a new user, a factory reset is often the best solution. Factory reset is needed in three main situations: when your camera is malfunctioning, when you need to change Wi-Fi networks, or when transferring the device to a new user. First, let's identify your Eufy Floodlight camera. This is what the device looks like with its dual floodlights and central camera unit. The sync button is located on the back of your camera. This diagram shows all the camera components, with the sync button clearly marked on the rear panel. The primary method is to press and hold the sync button for exactly 10 seconds. You'll need to maintain steady pressure throughout this time. As you hold the button, count to 10. After 10 seconds, you should hear two distinct beeps indicating the reset was successful. Some users report success with an alternative method, pressing the sync button 5 times in quick succession. This can also trigger a factory reset. After the reset, your camera will automatically reboot. This process takes a few minutes. The camera will power off, restart, and the LED indicators will eventually stabilize when the reset is complete. Your Eufy Floodlight camera has now been successfully factory reset and is ready for the next step: reconnecting to the Eufy Security app. After your Eufy Floodlight camera has rebooted from the factory reset, you need to reconnect it to the Eufy Security app. First, open the Eufy Security app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Device Management section and select the option to Connect Device or Add Device. This will start the process of adding your reset camera back to your account. The app will provide on-screen instructions to reconnect your camera. You'll need to locate the sync button on your camera. This button is typically found on the back of the device and may require a pin or paperclip to press. Press and hold the sync button until the LED indicator flashes white. This signals that the camera is ready to connect. The app will guide you through connecting your mobile device to the camera's temporary Wi-Fi network first. After connecting to the camera's network, select your home Wi-Fi network within the app and enter your password. It's crucial that your camera connects to a 2.4 GHz network for initial setup and stable operation. Some routers with band steering may cause connectivity issues by pushing the camera to a 5 GHz network. Once connected successfully, your Eufy Floodlight camera will appear in your device list within the app. The camera is now ready to use with all its security features restored. If you experience any connectivity issues, try disabling band steering on your router or creating a dedicated 2.4 GHz guest network.